Hey, do you want to learn how to fix Affinity Studio crashing or not starting? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it with a few easy ways. So you can see that I've got Affinity Studio opened up and it's working completely fine. So what you have to do is first uninstall Affinity Studio if it is not working for you. In order to do that, you can go over to Start and search for Add or Remove Programs. Then click on it. Here in Search Apps, search for Affinity and click here on the right hand side, More Options, uninstall it. Once you've done it, what you need to do next is go over to affinity.studio, sign in with Canva. Then it's going to take you over to the Download Affinity page, scroll down. What I've found is if you click on this, it's going to give you a drop down for Windows. Do not install this first one. It's going to give you the .msix installer. Instead, you can go with the enterprise version, which is going to give you the .exe installer. This seems to work for me. Before, with the MSIX version, it did install, but at the end, the app was crashing after the intro part. So that is one fix. And for the second fix, you can go over to File Explorer. And on the top, you can type in %local app data %. And it's going to take you over to the app data local. You can also go directly to it by going over to your main drive, go over to this PC, then go over to your main drive where your Windows has been installed, go inside it, go to users, your username folder, go inside that. Now here, you would probably not see the app data. So on top here, press on see more, go to options. You're going to see this folder options here, press on view, scroll down in advanced settings. Under it, you'll see hidden files and folders. We're going to click on the second one, which is show hidden files and folders, then click on apply. Now here, you're going to see app data. Click on it, go inside it, and next you need to go to roaming. Then here you'll see Affinity. Click on it. Inside, you'll see another Affinity folder. We need to right click it and delete it. Also, go back to your main user folder, this one, and see if you've got a .affinity folder here. If it is there, then you need to delete it as well. Now let's go inside app data again. Go to local, scroll down, actually click somewhere and press P on your keyboard. Keep pressing it. You'll see publishers. Go inside that. Go inside this weird string of text folder. Then here as well, if you see Affinity, delete that. That was the second fix. Now, if you try to run Affinity, it may work after that second fix. Now for the third fix, make sure that your graphics driver is up to date. So in my case, I've got NVIDIA. I'm going to go inside. Click on the NVIDIA settings. This is NVIDIA app. If you do not have it, you need to go to Chrome and search for NVIDIA app. This is the first link. Go inside and click on download now. Download the NVIDIA app. Now here on the left hand side, go to drivers. Make sure that you have installed the latest driver. This is game ready driver, so you can click on it and select studio driver. Studio drivers are great for applications. Let's just take an example of Affinity. This is probably the best one. So you can click here to download the studio drivers. But if you play games as well, then you can go with the game ready drivers as well. But if Affinity is still crashing, then you can try the studio driver and check it out. And yeah, that's it. After that, your Affinity Studio should work without any crashing. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Affinity and Canva related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.